Hi, it's Kristen. I'm the owner and CEO of Wealth Ownership LLC. With Wealth Ownership, we focus on 7 specific areas of wellness and growth as we pursue wealth ownership. The first is wisdom, then ethereal and atomic, location, township, heart, and ownership. How to use a heart-shaped strainer for herbal tea. So simply open it up, and as you see, these holes are a bit larger than the ones from the mesh one that you'll see later. So simply fill up with your herbal tea, fill it up halfway, as you see here, shaking it in. Sometimes you can use a spoon. Make sure you close it, secure it closed to make sure it does not fly out. Pour your tea. Here you have our first tea in our chakra collection, the Sure tea, which represents and affects your root chakra. You'll have the bilberry, burdock root, fennel seeds, gotu kola, horsetail, lavender, and lemongrass. Our second herbal tea in our collection is the prolific, which assists you with your sacral chakra. The herbs in the prolific includes burdock root, chamomile, fennel seeds, ginger root, hibiscus, Paul de Arco, and red clover. And here we have our third tea, the insightful. This tea is for your solar plexus chakra, and the herbs in this tea include boneset, burdock root, chickweed, dandelion, fennel seeds, ginger root, and hibiscus. The fourth tea is the treasure. The treasure represents and connects to your heart chakra. The ingredients include chamomile, hibiscus, horsetail, marshmallow, red clover, rosehip, and yucca. The fifth tea that we have in our collection is the messenger. The messenger affects your throat chakra. It includes bilberry, chamomile, eucalyptus, ginger root, mullein, red clover, and rosehip. The sixth herbal tea blend in our chakra collection is the clairvoyance. The clairvoyance is connected to your third eye chakra. It has bladderwrack, chamomile, ginkgo biloba, gotu kola, hibiscus, horsetail, and lemongrass. The final herbal tea blend in our collection is the essence. The essence is connected to your crown chakra. It includes chamomile, chickweed, ginkgo biloba, gotu kola, lavender, rosehip, and yucca. Here's an example of how to use a mesh ball strainer. For this video, we'll be using the Sure tea from the Wealth Tea Chakra Collection. As you see, it is organic, herbal, loose tea blend, which is perfect for the mesh ball. You just simply fill up halfway, depending on how strong you want your tea, but all you simply need to do is fill it up halfway for a good 1 cup. And then make sure you clean off the rim, connect the pieces, and lock it in. And it's as simple as that. Here again, we'll be showing you how to use a mesh ball strainer, but this time with our insightful. This is from, again, the Wealth Tea Chakra Tea Blends. And again, you just simply fill up the strainer halfway. Fill up one side of it, just allow the herbs to fall in. I usually do it over the cup just in case I have any stragglers, at least they'll fall into the cup. Simply clean off the rim so that it closes and secures tightly. Connect the hole, lock it in, and there you have it.